Okay, I've got some snap together bamboo flooring, and we're going to see if we can actually nail this down instead of just making a floating floor. Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. And you heard me right, I'm going to take a snap together floating floor and see if we can make it a nail down floor. Now these two nailers right here, I have some additional videos on them. They're great nailers. And I will have Amazon links in the description down below where you can purchase either one of these or both of them from Amazon. And by doing so, not only are you going to get the exact gun that we're using here in the demonstration, but you help support the channel. My website and all that stuff helps me make more videos. Okay, so what these are, I got these flooring samples from my local Lowe's. It's from a company called Naturals. It's called Smart Core Naturals. Okay, so what it is, and I'll bring it up close so you guys can see it. It is a PVC vinyl core floor with a real bamboo surface, okay? So it's not a plastic surface, it's a real bamboo, but the core is a PVC and vinyl mixture, okay? And it's got the snap locking together grooves on it. Now, some of you are wondering, well, I got this other flooring here, that's like solid bamboo. Okay, now the thing is with this, like from Cali bamboo, bamboo plants, if you think about them, they're thin-walled, grassy plants. Okay, so for this to be like solid bamboo, it's actually compressed together and then laminated with different layers and just crushed together to make this flat board, okay? Because bamboo doesn't grow like this, okay? It grows in a tube. So to make the tube this, they slice it, laminate it, compress it together into a solid board. I have some others from Cali Bamboo, which uses a plywood base and then the bamboo top. All right, I'm just dropping everything, okay? So don't think that this is too weird. This would be very similar to having the plywood base, but it's the PVC and vinyl core, which means it's completely water resistant. That's the key. That's their marketing thing on this floor right here. And this isn't a bad price. It was like around $4 a square foot, maybe $3.50 a square foot. I can't remember, but right about in there. Okay, so not terribly expensive. All right, so we're gonna. It's a lock together. Okay, now if I can just get it right. Okay, there we go. So it looks like it's gonna lock together pretty good. I'm gonna see, because with some lock together floors, I could take this nailer right here and actually shoot it down. And when I do that, it means it doesn't tap when you walk on it. Okay, it won't separate if you put hard furniture on it. You know how they say you can't put heavy furniture on a floating floor because it could separate the joints, which is true. Well, that all changes when it's nailed together. Now it's a nail down floor. But it was snapped together, but with the ease of a snap together. Okay? Oh, I don't know if that's really easier. But anyways, I think you understand what I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna shoot this one in. Okay. I might have to adjust the pressure, the PSI of the compressor and do that again. So I don't think those nails went in far enough. They did not. So let's up the pressure on that and try this again. Okay, so that was a little bit more work than I prefer. Most of the time I can nail it down, it sinks into the wood base, and then I can lock it down pretty good. That required a couple taps, but it did work. That is nailed down, and it did lock completely, okay? So since we're here doing this, and we're talking about bamboo floors, let's go ahead and take this Cali Bamboo that has the plywood base, bamboo top, and let's readjust, see how quick it takes. Okay, we're gonna readjust this gun to shoot tight in the groove there. And we're gonna try this one here. Okay, obviously the trick is making sure the nail heads are in all the way. and that first one did not get sunk in right. Okay, well I got one nail in right, the other one's hanging out just a hair, so I need to take a nail set and get it stamped in there, but it did do the job. And that was better. You just get the, make sure the gun's sitting flat enough. I don't think, oops, that's the tongue groove. And there, see? There's no resistance for the nail at all. It just locks like there was nothing there. But now it's solid and not going anywhere. Okay, so my 2 cents on this is this PVC vinyl core one here, the natural with the smart core. I'm not sure that I'd be nailing that one down. The core of it is so thin that the nail would have to be almost perfect every time. And I just see that being more trouble than it's worth for this one here. This one should just probably just be snapped together and left alone like that. Though, this engineered wood or plywood based Cali bamboo, which is it's not quite a 3/4 of an inch. It's a good 5/8. With these nice big grooves here on this one here, I would take the time to shoot this one in if you had the gun available. It's going to make the floor act like it was a traditional nailed down floor. It's going to sound like it, it's going to act like it, it's not going to want to separate the joints over time, especially if you put heavy furniture on it if you nail it in. And this one nailed in really nicely. So I hope this little test helped you guys out. If you're interested in either one of these bamboo type floors, to kind of give you an idea of another way to install it, this is going to make the floor a little bit better. Well, at least for the Cali bamboo one. The Smart Core one, it's, you know, just lock it together and go. And I do have a couple of videos on locking together type floors. So check out that here. I'll have that over here. Wait, let's put it on this side. Yeah, let's put it on this side. And you can subscribe to my channel over on this side. Click on that bell for notifications. That way you get notified when I make new videos. Down below that is a link to my website, because I got hundreds of videos, and they're organized really well there. Much easier to find. That's a funny, a little bit different video. But I hope some of you guys liked it. So please share it. And out there, you guys, good luck on your projects, and have a great one.